tomatoes are very rewarding. Look at this. It's just like few plants give me all these fruits of tomato. And see, I had to take these green out because they were so heavy on the stem. It, like, even if I tie the stem, it's still the stem like almost like breaking. So I had to remove some of these heavy big tomatoes just to lighten up some of them. And look how many there are. Now think how many they are still outside ripening. It's just like grace upon grace. So I never done this before. I never had this much tomatoes. I planted some few last year, but they were not this many. So I'm learning to make pickles, tomato pickles, and also to preserve them for winter. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna can them. So I'm gonna check out some recipes on YouTube. And if you know anything about tomato canning or tomato pickles, how to make them, please send me your recipes. I would love to try. And all credits will be yours. Thank you very much.